In this video, I'll show you how to link your PayPal account to Instagram. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to link your PayPal account to Instagram, open the Instagram application and go to your profile page. Once you are on your profile, look at the top corner of the screen and tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu where you can access your account settings. From the menu that appears, go into the Settings area and scroll down until you reach the section labeled Orders and Fundraisers. In this section, tap on Orders and Payments to open the page where Instagram allows you to manage payment options connected to your account. When the Orders and Payments page opens, look for the option called Other Payment Methods. This section shows the different payment methods that can be added to your Instagram account. Tap on Add Payment Method so Instagram can display the payment options that are available for your account. After tapping this option, you will see a list of eligible payment methods. From this list, select PayPal to begin connecting your PayPal account to Instagram. If PayPal does not appear in the list of payment methods, it usually means that PayPal is not currently supported in your region or for your account. Once you select PayPal, you will be asked to enter your PayPal account details. Type in your PayPal login information and continue by clicking Next. After completing the login and authorization process, your PayPal account will be successfully connected to your Instagram account and ready to use for supported payments. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.